Doesn't look so bad sitting up here. There's little sailboats out there flying around. Nothing's rocking around. But I didn't want to do it today because the tide's running that way and... No wait, the tide's running that way and the wind's running that way. Which isn't that much fun to be in. And I'm trying to have fun. I gotta go south again. I told you that, but... Anyways. Another nice boat. Look at that aluminum little island hopping skiff with 200 odd Honda horsepower on back. That'd be a fun boat. But me, I row and sail for whatever reason, I don't know. I turned the camera on to tell you I'm scared. I'm scared after my last outing and tired. And when you're scared and you're tired at the same time, not much fun. I need rest and I need a good trip. Maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna go on shore for a little while. Post office, road, docks. That's it, I want to stay here. It's right out in the middle of the channel and shipping lanes and everything else. It's like a little arrowhead pointed north. That's north. This place is absolutely awesome. And the dog smiles. Happy dog. We've made it to what island? I don't know, but we're across the channel. Across the channel. I'm gonna check the GPS here in a little bit. It's either Pender or Saturna. I'm not sure if I'm in Canada yet or not. So I promise not to touch any rocks or dirt. I might let the dog go ashore though. I don't think there's any rules against dogs making landfall without checking in with the Port Authority. This spot is sweet. I might just sleep here tonight. It was... Where did I come from? Huh. Somewhere over there around the point. 3 knots of flooding current in the channel. And the atlas just doesn't show it all to you because it spins around and flips around. I'm learning to read the water better. I can at least tell what it's about to do to me instead of not knowing. So you can tell when the wind's pushing the waves up or laying them flat. But we went through at least 2 calm circles, which was really weird. It would just be like this kind of calm water with a little wind blowing over it with waves all around it. I guess that would be a whirlpool. Something I don't want to get caught in. Nora just panted for 2 hours straight. She did a good job of staying in the boat. We got doused by a couple waves. I don't know how bad. Oh yeah. Isn't that gross? Piss and salt. We're gonna go drop the hook and be thankful that we made it across the channel. I'll let you know where I'm at in a little bit. Whoa, it's a big boat. Glad I didn't have to contend with him. There was one out there when I was crossing, but he beat me. Wow. I think that's my third time across shipping lanes. I don't know. Not exactly. Oh, cool. Look at goat or sheep. Can you see him? Hold on. Let me zoom in. If I had a bow and arrow, I could have pork chops for dinner. No, those aren't pork. Lamb chops. It was scary, scary, scary. I shouldn't have been out there. But I made it. I misread the currents once again. But the wind was right. And I rode and the boat held up, so it worked out. I looked it up and I'm in Canada. It wasn't quite. I guess I knew I was in Canada. I don't know. Haven't checked in with. Did I already tell you that? I think I already made a video about that. Yeah. You gotta eat some real good top ramen and beef jerky. And then, oh man, go to bed. And tomorrow, hopefully I do a better job reading the currents, because this is the last of the Gulf Islands off of Canada. And the deal is that the currents are just kind of running right in front. Anyways, there's a big giant whirlpool that happens out here in the main part of the Strait of Georgia, I think it's called. I was really afraid I was going to get sucked into that today. You just start to see these islands slipping away from you and getting pushed away from them. And think about spending the night out in a whirlpool with that guy coming through. I guess I'm learning early. I got a long trip ahead of me, so it's just making me more and more aware of the currents and the dangers. Took a few waves over the side today. That's the first time I've done that. I didn't think that was gonna happen, or I didn't want that to happen. Maybe I need to build a skirt for the boat. I'm gonna cook some dinner. Maybe tomorrow I'll meet some Canadian Mounties and tell them about all the goodies I have on my boat.
Varying amounts of onshore flow will continue.
Yeah, this is U.S. rowing vessel Grumman Canoe. I'm trying to find out where I can check in with the Canadian Port Authority. I'm off of Monarch Head on Saturna Island. Over. It didn't work out. That was channel 16. I forgot to look up what channel I'm supposed to call for Canada. So, a little nervous. Think I need to ditch a few things before I check in with Port Authority. Anyways, we'll see ya.